legends are told, some turn to dust or to gold, but you will remember me. Remember me.
Welcome back to another video day, guys. Hope you're having a great day. We're currently getting loaded up for Wheelersburg tomorrow night. It's Battle of the Banks. Payout goes according to car count, but really don't matter about the money. It's just for fun. So hopefully have a decent car count and have a lot of fun tomorrow, and hopefully have some good luck. We've had a lot of bad luck this year. We're currently swapping over a car to be back behind the wheel of the 2022 Slack Pursuit. We got a few new parts to put on, swap our tack over, our new clutch, and our exhaust pipe ripped from the vibration, and where it got so high it kind of ripped. So we got a better and improved one, so hopefully it lasts a little bit longer. So yeah, that being said, we'll see you all at the track. Yeah, our trailer's a mess. I gotta clean it still.
Junior 2, get him ready for hot laps. Junior 2, get him ready for hot laps. Call him heavy to the grid. Heavy to the grid. Car, rookie division, get them up, get them ready to go. Rookies, get them ready to go. Calling heavy, heavy to the grid. Rookie division, line them up, get them ready, heavy to the grid. Rowdy Riley Cunningham out front at the 21 car. Riley Cunningham, your leader in the 21 car. Jalen Montgomery in third in the 21 J. Jalen Montgomery underneath the 21 J. And your leader. Checkered flag to Jalen Montgomery at the 21J. And lap pass. Good race.
Wow. That's your issue right there. Yeah.
Cameron Flannery brings our first round of heat races to a close tonight here. Robbie Carter coming out of that. The leader, but they'll go 3 wide down the front stretch. Rowdy Riley Cunningham to the front in 21 cars. Hang on, Slooky. Little bumping and banging going on in the back. But Riley Cunningham has it going in the front in the 21 car. Riley Cunningham.
You doing, Cameron? Not where we need to be. Well, we didn't make it. Mother Nature wins tonight. Yeah, as you can see, Mother Nature won tonight. They're rescheduling the race for next Friday. We'll start 4th in the feature. In hot laps, cart was really hooked up, but in the heat races had a really bad push. So hopefully get it all fixed up, and you'll be back out next weekend. So see y'all. Peace.